Now let's talk about biofertilizers. Biofertilizer are the natural fertilizer that microbial inoculate of bacteria, algae and the fungus. They help build up soil microflora and thereby soil health. It added nutrient through the natural process of the nitrogen fixation, solubilizing phosphorus and stimulating plant growth through the synthesis of growth promoting substances. Types of biofertilizer is the bacterial, fungal, algal, aquatic fern, earthworm. Bacterial biofertilizer. The leaf cells of the bacteria that contain unique genes known as the NIF genes, which make them capable of fixing nitrogen. The nitrogen fixing bacteria work under two conditions, symbiotically and free living bacteria. Symbiotically, these make an association with the crop plant through forming the nodules in their root. Free living bacteria does not form any association but live freely and fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Symbiotic nitrogen fixtures के examples होते हैं Rhizobium azarospirillum. Rhizobium live in the root hairs of leguminous by forming the nodules. Plant root species supply the essential minerals and a newly synthesized substance to the bacterium. Azarospirillum is the gram-negative, microaerophilic, non-fermentative, and nitrogen-fixing bacteria. It mainly present in cereals and plants. It promotes the plant growth, forms symbiotic relationship, and increasing the nitrogen-fixing potential of the cereal plant. Free-living bacteria, large number of the free-living or non-symbiotic bacteria does not form nodules but make association by living in the rhizosphere present in the soil. Commonly used free-living bacteria is Azectobacter, not associated with the plant. Azectobacter is a heterotrophic free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria present in alkaline and the natural soil. Apart from its ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen in soil, it can also synthesize growth-promoting substances such as auxin and gibberellin, and also some extent the vitamins. It improves the seed germination and plant growth. Azectobacter is the heaviest breathing organism, require a large amount of organic carbon for its growth. Mode of action of Azectobacter: biological nitrogen fixation under free living condition, production of cytospores, production of antifungal compound, induction of defense enzyme, solubilization of insoluble phosphatase, production of photohormone like indole 3 acetic acid, gibberellin like substance and cytokines. फंगल बायोफर्टिलाइजर जिसमें बात करते हैं वैम्प की, डेट इज़ द वेस्कुलर एब्रिस्कुलर माइक्रोराइजा. The term was taken from the Greek language meaning fungus. Root term was coined by the Franking in 1885. The mycorrhiza is the mutualist association between fungal mycelia and the plant root. Worm is an endotrophic leaf inside the mycorrhiza formed by aseptic Phycomycetious fungus. Worm help in the nutrient transfer mainly of phosphorus, zinc and sulfur. Worm hyphae also help in retaining moisture around the root zone of the plant. It increases the resistance to root-borne or soil-borne pathogens and nematodes. Mechanism of action की बात करें तो the worm form an association with the plant root. It penetrates the root cortex and spread around the root of the plant. As the name indicates, they possess a sac-like structure called vesicles, which store the phosphorus as phospholipid. The other structure called abriscular help bringing the distant nutrient to the vesicles and the roots. मास प्रोडक्शन की बात करें तो वैम स्पोर्स आइसोलेटेड, स्पोर मिक्सड विद द स्टराइज्ड सॉइल फिल्ड इन पोर्स, होस्ट प्लांट ट्रांसपोर्टेड इन द पोट, kept 3 to 4 months in greenhouse. Soil in the pot along with the roots of the host plant is macerated, dried till it contains 5% moisture. Dried soil inoculant used for the field application. Uses of the WAM की बात करें तो enhance the feeding areas of the plant root, helps by the hyphae spread around the root, mobilize the nutrient from distance to the plant, provide protection against other fungus and nematodes. It reduces the sensitivity of the crop towards the high level of salts and heavy metals. Algae biofertilizer. Another group of free-living nitrogen fixation are cyanobacteria. Nitrogen fixation takes place in a specialized cell called heterocytes. It is very common in rice field and unlike Acetobacter, it is not inhibited by the presence of chemical fertilizer. Algae biofertilizer के example है Anabina nostoc. Aquatic fern Azolla has a biofertilizer. It is a tiny fresh water fern found in pond, ditches, and rice field. The nitrogen fixing work is accomplished by the symbiotic relationship between the fern and blue-green algae Anabia azolla. In addition to nitrogen, the decomposed azolla also provide potassium, phosphorus, zinc, iron to the crop. The biomass of azolla get doubled within 5 to 7 days by vegetative method, tolerant to heat and the cold. Earthworm. Earthworm is a physically an aerator, crusher, mixture, chemically a degradable or biologically a stimulator in the decomposer system. Vermicomposting is a major and biological process in which all organic waste are converted into manure, and this process is carried out in the presence of earthworm. These are the only compost and are only used as the biofertilizers as they rich in the nutritional content. Benefit of vermicompost. It acts as a biofertilizer, restore the soils and enhance the soil fertility at a longer period of time. It tends to social issues and recycles the waste. Precautions. Store biofertilizer packet in cool and a dry place away from the direct sunlight and the heat. Use direct combination of biofertilizer. Rhizobium is crop specific, so use in specified crop. Do not mix with chemicals. Use the packet before expiry only on the specified crop by the recommended method. Advantages of biofertilizer. Renewable source of nutrients sustain soil health, supplement chemical fertilizer, stimulate the plant growth by secreting growth hormone, solubilizing and mobilizing the nutrient, eco-friendly, non-pollutant and cost-effective method, secrete the fungistic and antibiotic-like substance, decompose the plant residue and stabilize carbon-nitrogen ratio of the soil. Disadvantage of biofertilizer. Biofertilizer require special care for long-term storage because they are alive. They must be used before their expiry date. If the other microorganism contaminated the carrier medium or if the grower was the wrong strain, they are not effective. Biofertilizer lose their effectiveness if the soil is too hot or the dry. Thank you. And this is all about the biofertilizers.